right, bro. Mic'd up with me in right field. We're gonna do the Peanuts dance, so. Isn't this stadium just beautiful? I love this, man. Layla's on the mound. I'm glad she's on our team. I don't want to face her, I'm not gonna lie. Bottom of the fifth, come out, then we tied up 2-2. Shout out to all my family and friends who came out to this game. Whole cheering section. It'd be so cool if I get a trick play on camera out here while fly ball to center field, and Dougie caught it, but I grew up going to games in the stadium, so it's so real right now playing. It doesn't feel real, I'm telling you that. It's a little infield single by Johnny O. Got jammed, but just got enough of it to get through, so.